welcome to My Fit Calling YouTube page. So glad that you've decided to join me on making this recipe. Today we are going to be cooking Super Bowl dip stuffed peppers. My friend Bethany, she made these and said they were amazing, so I asked her if I could kind of steal the recipe and make it Shibboleth approved, and she said, sounds good. So here I go, let's get cooking. I'll put my hair up because who cooks with their hair down? Like, come on. My hair would get in all my food. First thing you're gonna do is spray your pan with a 0-calorie spray. You don't want to use MCT. Well, okay. I wouldn't recommend using MCT oil in this just because this is already a category 4 meat. You don't want to add more unnecessary fat to it. If you're using a category 1, you can use MCT. You can use it if you're doing a category 4, but I don't recommend it. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your peppers, take the tops off, and get the seeds out and all the outsides, and then we're going to cut them in half like that. So I'm going to do them to all 3. Once your peppers are cut in half and seeded, you need to sprinkle them with salt, pepper, and garlic salt because I love me some garlic salt. Now I put our peppers on a foil sheet, on a cookie sheet. The oven is preheated to 350 degrees, and I'm going to bake these not filled, so just as they are right now, for 10 minutes. All right, the meat is brown, so I'm about to add some cream cheese and rotel to this. Y'all, drain the tomatoes, unlike I did. It smells so good. Cream cheese is still melting, but it's almost done. The peppers just cooked for 10 minutes. I just started stuffing them. Yeah, so I'm gonna stuff them and put them in the... Alright, I stuffed them all. So, guys, I should have done better reading the recipe, but she said to put them in a, like, high-sided pan, more like a cake pan. So, this is 2 peppers I just squished together so the stuff wouldn't fall out everywhere, and that one's leaning so the stuff won't fall out. So, I'm gonna sprinkle some fat-free cheddar. Alright, it is sprinkled. We don't want to put too much of the cheddar because we're trying to keep our condiments under 50 calories total for the entire dish. So, about to go in the oven for 30 minutes. Baby snuggle break. It's done. Alright. About to taste test these once it cools off a little bit. Alright guys, here I go. It's really hot, so I might, yeah. Hot. It's really good. I really like it. Make it. I'm so excited right now. This is really good. And it's pretty easy to make. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you make this. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at MyFitCalling. Find me on Facebook at MyFitCalling as well. I really enjoy making these. Let me know what you think. And I hope y'all have a great day. The top did dry out a little bit while cooking, but the inside, like right under it, is still super creamy. And so good. I really like that sausage.